If you can't access your Google account because it was either hacked or you simply forgot your password, don't worry, it's not the end of the world. There's still a couple of things you can do. So let's start off with the latter. If you have forgotten your password on the login page, simply just click on the Forget Password button and Google will offer you a couple of options. However, it really depends on what other information they have. Usually when you set up your account or even afterwards, you can add things like, say, a phone number or also a secondary email address that can be used for account recovery. If you don't have either of those, it would be a lot difficult because after all, they don't have any way of really making sure it's you using some other device or anything like that. So it is very much recommended that you add those. So if anything is happening to your account, you can actually react by having other trusted devices or trusted email addresses that you can use. If not, or if your account was hacked, then there's also the special Google recovery service. By going to the account recovery website, you can enter the email address of the Google account that was hacked. And Google will again try to get as much information out of you to really see if the account belongs to you. So they may ask for stuff like, once again, your phone number if you've added one, but also things like the full name of the account holder. But okay, what if that doesn't help? Are there any other ways of getting to Google support? Well, unfortunately, no, not really. Given the size of a company like Google, they don't have a person you can just get in touch with. It's no kind of customer agent that could help you out here. Or at least if you're a normal free customer. If you use a service like Google Workspace, for example, you can try and contact the Google Workspace support and explain your situation to them. While that's not technically their line of work, they could still get you in touch with someone that could be able to help. So those are the main methods for recovering a Google account. The main thing is just that recovery account form that you can fill in and hope for the best. Again, if you have enough information to provide and if there hasn't been too much damage done to the account by the hackers. If unfortunately that can't be done, then well, it may be time to start a new Google account. So again, add as much information as possible so you can prove that you own your account if something happens, and two-step verification is also possible as well. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about how you can restore a Google account. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.